Kaizen is a Japanese term that means change for better or continuous improvement. It's a concept and methodology that focuses on making incremental and continuous improvements in all aspects of an organization, including processes, products, services, and even personal development. Kaizen is often associated with lean manufacturing and has been widely adopted across various industries to enhance efficiency, quality, and productivity. Key features of the Kaizen philosophy include 1. Small, incremental changes. Kaizen emphasizes making small, manageable changes on an ongoing basis rather than large, disruptive changes. These small improvements, when accumulated over time, lead to significant positive results. 2. Employee involvement. Kaizen encourages involving employees at all levels in the improvement process. Employees are often the best sources of insights into how processes can be optimized and streamlined. 3. Continuous learning. Kaizen promotes a culture of learning and adaptability. It encourages organizations to constantly seek opportunities for improvement and to never settle for the status quo. 4. Waste reduction. One of the central principles of Kaizen is the reduction of waste in processes. This includes eliminating unnecessary steps, reducing waiting times, and minimizing defects. 5. Standardization and documentation. While Kaizen focuses on continuous improvement, it also emphasizes standardization of improved processes to maintain consistency and reliability. 6. Problem solving. Kaizen encourages problem solving at the root cause level. Rather than addressing symptoms, organizations are encouraged to identify and eliminate the underlying causes of issues. 7. Visual management. Visual tools, such as visual boards and indicators, are often used to communicate the current status of processes and improvement efforts, making it easier to track progress and identify areas for enhancement. 8. Gemba walks. Gemba is a Japanese term that means the actual place where work is done. Kaizen encourages leaders and managers to regularly visit the Gemba to observe processes, engage with employees, and identify improvement opportunities firsthand. Kaizen's principles can be applied to various aspects of an organization, from manufacturing and production processes to office workflows, customer service, and even personal development. It is a philosophy that promotes a mindset of constant improvement, fostering a culture where every individual contributes to the betterment of the organization.